Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to recover your deleted call history on WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to simply open your WhatsApp account. If you remember to sync WhatsApp with your Google account, you can check and recover the call history if you accidentally erase it. Remember that WhatsApp frequently stores your material to the phone's memory on a daily basis. But what if you haven't created a backup account or Google account on your WhatsApp? So it's okay. What you want to do here is to simply exit your WhatsApp application and go to your Google Play Store. Now you have to install this application in order for you to retrieve or in order for you to recover your deleted call history. So you have to exit your WhatsApp application first and go to your Google Play Store. And then here you just have to tap that magnifying glass and then kindly type this all, all deleted messages recovered. Okay, so all you have to do is tap this one here, and then you have to simply locate this icon. Okay, you have to install this one. So once done, what you want to do next is to open this application, and then here you have to permit this application or allow this application to have access to your WhatsApp application. Okay, so as you can see here, all you have to do is to click next, next, and got it. Click allow. And then here you have to make sure that you have installed this application first, calls, before you delete calls, messages, or videos on WhatsApp. So allow this application to access your files, photos, media, and contacts. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.